here's what I came up with for my new camping upgrade. This is the GSI Pinnacle camper. Now they make a base camper as well. That's a different set. It's two bigger pots. The regular camper has a lot of other goodies in here that I'm going to show you here in a minute. I'll probably do an in-depth review on it later of just this unit, and probably do a field test review. But just give you a quick look inside. It's got a little 9-inch fry pan. It's about almost the same size diameter as this, but it's not as deep. I kind of not so keen about that, but if it's just for 1 or 2 people, it's probably going to work out okay. It's all stored in this rubber basin here that you can also use as a wash basin. I thought that was smart, very smart. Like this, and then you can put hot water in here and scrub your dishes. That I like a lot. So you've got, this is a 3-quart pot right here. They come with lids with strainers built in. Super handy. There was some good thought that went into this set, and it's pricey. The stand sport like this, they're around $35. I hate to say it, but this cost list price is $138, almost $140. So like 3-4 times as much as that. However, I lucked out and got a really good deal on this one. I got it for $111, which I thought was, that's 20% off. So hopefully you can find the same deal too, but whether or not you want to spend $140 for a Cookset is a little different. So we got the big 3-quart. There's a 1.5 quart, I believe it was. Comes with plates, which are really kind of pretty small, but it'll do. Maybe it'll put me on a diet here. I can't eat so much. Notice that these are 4 different colors, which corresponds to the other part that they have included with this is 4. There's what they call bowls and mugs. This separates. There's 2 of them. So this has an insulation over it, so it can be a coffee cup, but it could also be a super chilly bowl. So, anything that's hot, so you got some insulation on it. And then the other one is a bowl, they call it, but it could be for cereal. Could use it for cold drinks as well, if you're just water. So you can interchange on that. But notice that this is red, and then that there was a red plate, so that each person can know whose is whose silverware or serviceware. I like that. That's kind of nice, because I'm kind of finicky about other people drinking out of my cup, or especially using my fork. But I don't have color coordinated forks and spoons, but I think I'll live. And inside here is the handle for the stuff. Goes like this, slides in like that. Let go, locks in nice and tight. Well, not really. I guess if you have to get it in there right. I might have to work. Oh, I just didn't have the right angle. I was working too hard. But anyway, now it's locked in good. It's kind of cool. You have to release a button to fold it back up. I put some washcloths in here. One of these is going to have the salt and pepper in it. There's no room for the silverware or the serviceware like I did in my old set, so I'm going to have to do a separate package for that, but that's okay. It was worth the trade-off for the nice and the newest here. And I'll be doing a field test review of it, like I said, here later on this trip, and we'll go from there.